If you're actively looking for virtual reality lenses for your Pico or Meta headsets, this video is for you. VRROC sent me their prescription lenses for the Meta Quest 2, and today we'll see together why these lenses are the best on the market, especially if you want to have the ultimate gaming experience. First of all, these lenses are magnetic, which means they attach directly to your headset, and that's really convenient. Plus, these lenses are UV resistant, which means you'll have a better gaming experience since it will enhance your resolution. And it will help you avoid discomfort, especially when you're playing VR games, because sometimes it can really hurt your eyes. In short, I had the chance to test these lenses for a period of 2 weeks, and I can tell you that it really changed my daily life. These ergonomic lenses are made for you, and they can even be customized to your vision on the VRROC website. The links will be in the comments. I'll also put a link to my site where you can find all the best promo codes available on the market, with discounts of less than 10% on lots of sites like AMVR, DPVR, Pimax, Kiwi Design and Binbox. And VRROG, of course, with a 10 to 15% discount if you buy this during Black Friday. These lenses, of course, come with something to clean them, and I wanted to talk to you about this item you see from Kiwi Design. This item was sent to me for free, just like many other users on social media, because I made a video about it, where you can get it for free. It was on the Kiwi Design site, by the way. There's a 5% discount code in the comments, so feel free to check it out. Kiwi Design is really cool, by the way. I have a video coming up on the channel soon featuring tools from Kiwi Design. Anyway, you'll see that soon. As for the lenses, they really boost your gaming quality. You can see it, but these lenses have significantly improved my experience, with sharpness being on point, and I was also able to boost the saturation and contrast thanks to these lenses. They attach easily, it's simple, it's quick, and it's not that expensive since it's about 60 euros for a pair of lenses, a little less for headsets like Pico or the Apple Vision Pro. I think it's a bit cheaper.